Let's compare matte pink cushion versus glowing black cushion ng Jimilan. This is Jimilan new launch pink cushion. Same like sa black truffle, meron na rin siyang kasamang powder. And look at the coverage. So guys, full coverage siya. Sobrang dali din niyang mag-set. And take note na like black truffle, meron din siyang calming and repairing. With salicylic acid and oil control, kaya for sure hindi magti-trigger yung mga acne mo. This is the before and after. Now, let's try the black truffle cushion. One of my favorite ko rin tong cushion na to. Perfect siya sa pang-araw-araw. Full coverage, creamy, and easy to blend. Same naman sila, this Jimilan pink cushion and black truffle is very lightweight. But for me, kung may mga event ka, mas maganda gamitin si pink cushion. So this time, let's put the powder. And as you can see, nagmatte talaga kagad yung ating cushion. So ito yung may powder na at wala pa. Now, lagyan naman natin yung powder ng black truffle. Same with matte effect and no transfer. Pero grabe si pink cushion. So, 2-in-1 na siya, cushion and foundation with setting powder. And this is the final look. Ako, pag may mga event, mas okay sa pink cushion. And for daily naman, is a black truffle. Same sila, magandang coverage. So, depende na lang sa mga pupuntahan mo kung paano mo siya gagamitin. Siyempre, ilalagay ko to sa yellow basket. I-check out nyo na.